Hey there, I am Startup Coach Manoj and welcome to Startup Growth Hub, your go to channel for actionable insights on business growth and personal success. Are you feeling stretched too thin between your startup and personal life? You are not alone. Today, we are tackling one of the biggest challenges faced by entrepreneurs: how to avoid burnout and achieve balance. Stay tuned for 10 proven strategies that will change the way you live and work. Let's dive in. Number 1, define your priorities. First things first, what really matters to you? Write down your top priorities in both life and business. This will help you make clear decisions and say no to things that don't align. Remember, success in business means nothing if you are sacrificing your health and relationships. Number 2, set boundaries. Learn to say no and set boundaries. Block out time for families, exercise, or hobbies in your calendar, just like you would for a business meeting. Respect these blocks and communicate them clearly to your team and clients. Number 3, leverage time management tools. Use tools and apps to organize your time. Set realistic deadlines, delegate tasks, and avoid multitasking. Remember, productivity is not about doing more but doing the right things effectively. Number 4, learn the power of delegation. You can't do it all, and you shouldn't. Build a strong team and trust them with responsibilities. Focus on tasks that require your expertise and delegate the rest. This not only eases your workload but also empowers your team. Number 5, schedule breaks and vacations. Taking a break is not a weakness, it's essential. Schedule regular breaks during your day to recharge. Plan vacations or at least a weekend getaway to unplug and gain fresh perspectives. Number 6, stay physically active. Your body fuels your mind. A regular exercise routine can reduce stress, increase focus, and improve your overall mood. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it is running, yoga, or even dancing, and make it part of your daily routine. Number 7, cultivate a support system. Surround yourself with people who understand your journey. This could be family, friends, or fellow entrepreneurs. Join a community where you can share your experiences, seek advice, and stay motivated. Speaking of communities, check out my free course. I will share the details at the end of this video. Number 8, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you stay present and manage stress. Start with 5 minutes daily meditation sessions or simple breathing exercise. You can make a huge difference in your focus and emotional well-being. Number 9, celebrate small wins. Don't wait for a massive milestone to celebrate. Acknowledge and reward yourself for small achievements. This keeps you motivated and reminds you of the progress you are making in both your personal and professional life. Number 10, reflect and adjust. Take time to reflect on your journey regularly. What's working, what's not working. Adjust your strategies to align better with your priorities and goals. Remember, balance is not static, it's an ongoing process. Balancing life and business is challenging but absolutely achievable. Start small, implement these strategies, and watch the transformation happen. If you want to dive deeper, check out my free course packed with free webinars, one-to-one sessions, live online workshops, and access to a vibrant community of entrepreneurs like you. Don't forget to subscribe to Startup Growth Hub and hit the bell icon for more insights on building your dream business. See you in the next video.